This year, leadership stocks have clearly been the semiconductor names, specifically in the memory space. We've talked about this a ton, and the run-up has been incredible. There have been a number of pullbacks along the way, and every single one of those pullbacks has been bought up around the 50-day moving average, and then we've continued to head higher. Also, every one of those pullbacks, we've seen money rotate into other areas of the market. That's how we've gotten breakouts in banking and biotech. It has been a healthy bull market rotation that we have seen. The change in character that we're seeing at the moment is certainly worth noting. And by that, I mean yesterday we saw semiconductors and those memory names close below their 50-day moving average for the first time since this run-up began. That is certainly worth noting. Now, we saw other areas of the market perform extremely well yesterday. We had a very bifurcated market with a lot of winners and a lot of losers. That has been that healthy rotation that we've talked about. But overnight, selling accelerated. The Nasdaq set to open down over 2%. The S&P set to open down over 1%. And this is where we need to pay very close attention. The Nasdaq, as you can see, is still trading in its consolidation zone, that range for the last couple of months. It hasn't broken below that, even given the pressure that we've seen this week. And if that holds, this could very well just be a pullback and a consolidation before our next leg higher. But if it breaks and we see that selling continue to accelerate in other areas of the market, that is certainly worth paying attention to because that's not what we've seen so far this year. So we're watching the level above very closely. If that does break, next level of support on the Nasdaq is about 8.5% lower. And we're going to pay attention to the other areas that have been leading us, biotechs, financials, and other areas that we've seen money rotate into to see if they can hold up well. If they do, there's not really a concern here. But if those start breaking down as well, we need to be very cautious and pay very close attention because this is a major change of character that would be taking place. We'll certainly keep you posted.